how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use Uber Cash on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to use Uber Cash on your Uber Eats account, first of all you have to add money to your Uber Cash, which means to add balance. And in order to add balance you have to add a payment method. So for that, first of all, go ahead and make sure to launch the Uber Eats application here. And once you launch the Uber Eats app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you need to tap the account icon from the bottom right to come to your account page, and then you want to simply go to wallet. And right at the very top, if you look, you can see I have Uber Cash, which is 0.00, but of course you can still add your payment method to add money to Uber Cash. So tap on add payment method option. If you have a gift card, you can enter your gift card, your pharmacy, CVS, or your Venmo account. You can link that. You can also add a PayPal, or you can add a bank account, which is the easiest for you with the bank account, or you can also choose to add a credit or debit card. So once you enter your payment details, and then after that your Uber Cash will get successfully loaded over here, and next time whenever you try to order something, either for a ride or maybe a food, you'll be asked to simply use your Uber Cash to pay for the food. And this way you can use Uber Cash, but first of all make sure you add money to Uber Cash. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.